Hello students, you're welcome to today's lesson. Today we will be looking at the concept ecological balance. In our previous lesson, we discussed aspects of environmental interactions, and there we saw how the different components in the ecosystem interdepend on one another. So at this lesson, we'll be looking at various objectives. One, we should be able to define ecological balance. Also, we are going to be looking at the different components of the ecosystem. Also, at this lesson, we'll be discussing some of the factors affecting ecological balance. Why is there an imbalance in an ecosystem? Also, we'll be looking at the importance of ecological balance in an ecosystem. And we're also going to be looking at some restoration and conservation measures. Now the question is, what is ecological balance? Ecological balance is a state of dynamic equilibrium within a community of organisms in which genetics, species, and ecosystem diversity remain relatively stable, subject to gradual changes through natural succession. Every organism is a part of an ecosystem and is connected to other organisms of that ecosystem. A balance exists between a living and a non-living thing. This, in nature, is called ecological balance. When every element of nature increases or decreases in large proportion, ecological balance gets disturbed. Today, rapid industrialization and ever-increasing human requirements have disturbed these natural elements and created an ecological imbalance. Now, let's look at the balanced and unbalanced ecosystem. In an ecosystem, all the living things work together and foster each other's needs. An example, let's look at the pond ecosystem. All plants, insects, larvae, fish, crocodile, and microbes are important in this ecosystem. Let's see what happens when microbes are removed from the ecosystem. We know that microbes are responsible for decomposition of dead material and increasing the soil fertility, such as soil is essential for plant growth. If we remove microbes from the pond, soil will not become fertile and growth of plants will be stopped. This will result in food shortage for insects and the number of insects will reduce. As insects decrease, so does the food of larvae. Hence, the population of larvae will also decrease, and the larvae are food of fish. Fish will also start dying, and crocodile will start becoming extinct. Now, let's see what happens when crocodile are removed. In the absence of crocodile, there will be no one to control the population of fish. If fishes are more, there will be more larvae, and hence the population of larvae will increase very fast. Decrease in larvae results in insect population. After some years, the larvae will become extinct and the pond will only have fish and insects. Fish will start eating insects after some years and insects will become extinct. Now, only plants and fish are left. After some years, fishes will run out of food and become extinct. And still that the absence of a single entity in a food chain mainly leads to extinction of all the living things in the ecosystem. There are various causes which makes the ecosystem to be unstable. Factors such as hunting, deforestation, urbanization, which put some species in danger, have made the ecosystem not to be balanced. Other causes are air pollution, water pollution, which affects aquatic animals, land pollution, which affects humans, and also noise pollution. Any kind of imbalance in an ecosystem can alter the function in that ecosystem. Pollution, construction, work, and other human activities disturb the balance in nature, leading to change in environmental conditions. The imbalance in the biotic and abiotic factors threaten the existence of many species on this planet. Temperature change, loss of habitat, and environmental pollution are the main reason of disturbance in the environment. Loss of habitats due to deforestation, expansion of agricultural land, and other construction work also leads to loss of many species. Many species were lost due to less availability of food and limited water supply. Poaching is a serious threat to many species. Spread of invasive species also results in death of many animals and plants. Environmental disturbances are causing unwanted results that in turn are disturbing in the system. Biological diversity is an important aspect of the ecosystem. The loss of a single species from the earth can affect many other species. The process in turn affects the balance in the ecosystem. Biological diversity has some direct benefit like agricultural prosperity, ecotourism, and several indirect benefits like flood protection, water purification, groundwater recharge. Of biological diversity can lead to few discoveries of medicine, increased changes of natural disaster, and also global warming. To stop the ongoing challenge, the following steps should be followed. These are the various measures. 1. We should stop deforestation. Also, prevent air, water, and soil pollution. Limit the use of fertilizers and pesticides. Increase the use of organic and natural fertilizers. And stop poaching. The number of national parks and sanctuaries across the country should be increased. The government should launch more projects like Project Tiger to protect the endangered species. With this, we will see that man's activities poses a serious threat to the ecosystem. Man has engaged in various activities over the years which have led to imbalance in the ecosystem. Air pollution is a major cause because it seems to affect every organism. With this, we have come to the end of the lesson. Please do well to attempt your quizzes and ask questions if there are any. Thank you and bye for now. See you in my next class.